Next theorem, Sylvester's theorem or Sylvester's law of inertia. Statement: given the real symmetric matrix A, there is an invertible matrix T such that TA T dash is equal to IR minus IS 0T, where IR is an R cross R unit matrix, IS is an S cross S unit matrix, and 0T is an T cross T 0 matrix. The integer R plus S and R minus S are called rank and signature of A, so that two real symmetric matrices are congruent if and only if they have same rank and signature. So here we have to show that the two real symmetric matrices are congruent if and only if they have same rank and signature. Proof: since A is real symmetric, its characteristic roots are real. Let lambda 1, lambda 2, so on up to lambda r be its positive characteristic roots, and minus lambda r plus 1, minus lambda r plus 2, so on up to minus lambda r plus s be its negative characteristic roots. We know that a real symmetric matrix can be bring to diagonal form by an orthogonal matrix. So by using this one, for a real symmetric matrix A, there is an orthogonal matrix U such that UA U dash is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, so on up to lambda r minus lambda r plus 1, so on up to minus lambda r plus s, so on up to 0 t. So since this is an n cross n matrix, so therefore that order n which is equal to, so r plus s plus t. So therefore t is equal to n minus r minus s. Okay, where t is equal to n minus r minus s. Let D be the real diagonal matrix such that D is equal to 1 by root lambda 1, so on up to 1 by root lambda r minus 1 by root lambda r plus 1, so on up to 1 minus 1 by root lambda r plus s, and so on up to I t. So since D is diagonal matrix, so therefore D is equal to D dash. And now consider D U A U dash D dash, which is equal to, so D means, so this one, U A U dash means this one, and D dash is equal to, so same as D. So by multiplying those matrices, we get 1 by root lambda 1, lambda 1 into 1 by root lambda 1, so on up to 1 by root lambda r into 1 by root lambda r minus 1 by root lambda r plus 1, lambda r plus 1, 1 by root lambda r plus 1, so on up to minus 1 by root lambda r plus s, lambda r plus s, 1 by root lambda r plus s, so on up to 0 t. So this is get cancelled, that is lambda 1 get cancelled, and here lambda r get cancelled, and all terms are cancelled, and we get d of UA U dash D dash is equal to IR. So here we have negative roots, so therefore minus IS and 0 t. Put du is equal to t, then TA T dash is equal to IR minus IS 0 t. This shows that there exists a matrix of required form in the congruence class of A. Now we show that this is only a matrix in the congruence class of A of this form, or it is equivalent to show that two matrix L is equal to IR minus IS 0 t and M is equal to IR dash minus IS dash 0 t dash are congruent if and only if R is equal to R dash, S is equal to S dash, and T is equal to T dash. So here we have to show that L and M are congruent if and only if R is equal to R dash, S is equal to S dash, and T is equal to T dash. Suppose that L is congruent to M. Then there exists an invertible matrix T such that M is equal to TL T inverse. This is by the definition of congruent. And we know that if V is finite dimensional, and for s comma t belongs to A of v, then R of st is equal to R of ts is equal to R of t for s regular in A of v. By using this result, we have R of m is equal to, so m means TL T inverse, so substitute here, and it is equal to R of L, which implies R of m is equal to R of L, that is rank of m is equal to rank of L. Here we know that L and m are the two matrices and the rank of L is equal to R plus S, where R is the number of positive roots of L and S is the number of negative characteristic roots of L. And similarly, rank of m is equal to R dash plus S dash, where R dash is the number of positive characteristic root of m and S dash is the number of negative characteristic root of m. So therefore, R of m is equal to R dash plus S dash and R of L is equal to R plus S. And here we consider that L and m are the two matrices of same order, that is n cross n matrix. So therefore n is equal to, so that is here this n is equal to R plus S plus T, and here n is equal to R dash plus S dash plus T dash. So by using this one, R dash plus S dash is equal to n minus T dash and R plus S is equal to n minus T. So which implies T is equal to T dash. Now we show that R is equal to R dash. For suppose R is less than R dash. So since we know that R of L is equal to R of m, so that is R plus S is equal to S dash, R dash plus S dash, and here we consider that R is less than R dash, means R dash is greater than R, so then this term is greater than R plus S dash. So therefore we get R plus S is greater than R plus S dash. So which implies S is greater than S dash. So therefore here we get S is greater than S dash. Let u is equal to set of all x which is equal to 0, 0, so on up to 0. So this is r times x r plus 1, x r plus 2, so on up to x r plus s. So this is s times 0, 0, so on up to 0. This is t times, such that xi belongs to r plus. Let u be the subspace of Rn consisting of vectors having the first r and last t coordinates are 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು u ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇನ್ ಯು, ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ equation number 1. Let W be the subspace of Rn for which R dash plus 1, R dash plus 2, so on up to R dash plus S dash components are all 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ W ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಗೇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ W be the subspace of Rn for which R dash plus 1, R dash plus 2, so on up to R dash plus S dash terms are 0. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಡಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ W ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ W ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ W ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. Dimension of W is equal to n minus s dash, and for W not equal to 0 in W, then inner product of m of W comma W is greater than or equal to 0. And here we know that m is equal to TL T inverse. So substitute this one here, we get inner product of TL T inverse of WO comma WO is greater than or equal to 0, which implies inner product of TL of WO comma TWO is greater than or equal to 0. So therefore on T of WO we get inner product of LT of WO comma T of WO is greater than or equal to 0. Call this as equation number 2. Now N is greater than or equal to dimension of U plus TWO, and we know that expansion of this one, that is equal to dimension of U plus dimension of TWO minus dimension of U intersection TWO. And here we get dimension of U is equal to S, and here we know the dimension of W is equal to N minus S dash. So substitute this one here, we get S plus N minus S dash minus inner product of minus dimension of U intersection TW. So therefore we get N is greater than or equal to N plus S minus S dash minus dimension of U intersection TW, which implies dimension of U intersection TW is greater than 0. So this is because S is greater than S dash. So now let us consider X is not equal to 0 belongs to U intersection TW, then X belongs to U and X belongs to TW. And for X belongs to U, which implies inner product of Lx comma X is less than 0. So this is from equation 1. And for X belongs to TW, which implies inner product of Lx comma X is greater than or equal to 0. So this is from equation 2. So these two choices are not possible simultaneously. So therefore we get R is equal to R dash, and so S is equal to S dash, and hence R is equal to R dash, S is equal to S dash, and T is equal to T dash, and hence the proof.